Yeah, yo, I have so much attitude, my girl. Me have something for you, wind up yourself. Me have something for you, wind up yourself. Your body make me heart just a melt. All day upon the gram, me a melt. Can't tell you say you, girl, them good, ready. I know me want your body every day.
Hey loves, so I'm just going to dive right into the video. I have my BH Cosmetic Palette Studio Pro, and I'm just going to use that brownish color and just go into my eyelids, get a nice neutral look. Now I'm going to take my Urban Luxe palette by BH Cosmetics, and I'm going to go in with that burgundy-ish color and apply it to my lids. Now I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toffee to cut my crease. As you guys can see, I love BH Cosmetics. I really love their palettes. It's just so amazing, and their pigmentation is just bomb. So I'm using the Foil Eye palette, and just look how vibrant the colors are. I'm going to go back in with that burgundy orangish color, and I'm going to apply it to the ends of the crease that I just cut and kind of make it look a little faded. Now I'm going to go back in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toffee and just clean up the excess eyeshadow. The foundation that I'll be using today is Maybelline Fit Me in the number 360. Now I'll be using the same concealer, the LA Girl Pro in the color Toffee, to conceal my face. I'll be using the Wet n Wild brown pencil to line up my lips. I'll be using my e.l.f. contour palette to contour my face, and I'll be using the darkest color. I'll be using my NYX setting powder to set my face. I'll be using my L'Oreal liquid lipstick in the color Burgundy. Okay, so today I'll be using Queen. These are lashes by Creations by K. I will leave the link down below. Yep. And this style is called Queen. To get rid of my flashback, I'll be using my finishing spray by MAC, and it's in the shade Dark Tan. Now I'm taking my matte finishing spray and I'm just going to apply it all over my face. Now I'll be highlighting with Bella Pierre in the shade Slutty.